Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the rechargeable hand warmer. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing this video, but I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So it is wrapped in plastic, which is a good thing. You don't find too many items that are wrapped in plastic, but at least that tells you it hasn't been returned or anything. So give me a second, I'm gonna get the plastic off of it. We'll open it up, see what it comes with, etc. Oh, it's packaged really well. Not sure if you're going to be able to see the box okay. Hopefully you will. Works for 4 to 8 hours on a full charge. So first let's look at the accessories. Nice felt soft carrying case, lanyard, and then 2 charging cables. Standard USB charging cables, I should mention. Little instruction pamphlet. And then the hand warmer itself. Now it does come in different colors. I went with the blue. It is magnetic, which is pretty cool. The reason you get 2 chargers, because you can charge each side individually. Again, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to read that. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.